Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change keyboard language in Windows 10. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here there is a maybe for requirement for two general requirement for everyone. So first you have already list here. Okay, I just click on the my English list here. So you can see I have two lists here. So whenever you want to change your keyboard language, you have to just click on this language and just you can change like this. But if you want to change by shortcuts key, you can change. You don't need to go here and click and change. Just you have to hit the window key and then space, then list will become here, and just you can hit the space again, then you can switch the list. Okay, so leave as on you want. Okay, so you for that you have to just enter window key and plus space key. Okay, so you can see the I can change by manually, or you can I can change by shortcuts key. Okay, but if you want to add another language here, you can add from here. Go to the language preference or go to the settings here. I will show you. You can just go to the setting, and okay, this window will be open. Now you have to go in this time and language, and here you can see the language option. Just tap on it. So you can see I had two keyboard language here, as it is show here. So now you can change it. Go to the add language and just search the language from here, or start you can search like this. Okay, so I just search Hindi language. You have to select it, just click on next. There is a server pack you can select. It is by default selected, but this for if you want to change your window display language also, you can click on it. Window display language means this all app language and all option language, setting language will be changed. Or you can set this language as a display language. If you don't want to set, just leave it as it is, and now just keep it as it is like this, and go to install. After install, window will be download your this language and install automatically. It will take 5 minutes. So after that the language will be add here. Okay, and you can make the primary language this, just click on up, so it will be your primary language. Okay, so that is how you can change the language. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.